So I've been cutting hair for non-professionally, obviously. I've been non-professionally cutting hair for probably like 6, 7 years. Yeah. I started cutting my hair when I saw my husband's hair. I saw my husband's hair, and he has like a high and tight kind of hair. And I was like, I can do that. So I've been using his old school wall, like clippers for years. And I've been wanting to like kind of upgrade and try a cordless, especially when we knocked the cord and the clippers fell on the ground and damaged our hardwood floors. So we've been wanting to like kind of upgrade. So that's why I wanted to check these out. So these were actually gifted to me from the brand, but as always, I will give my honest review. So my first impressions are, if you can actually see, this still has my husband's hair on it. I loved how lightweight these were and how like if these feel like a nice like weight in the hands. But these, you're not going to get like that tired wrist kind of feeling when you're doing the upward strokes of the hair. But these also are nicely, like, they're not very loud compared to the clippers. His old school wall clippers are very loud. And like, I do cut my son's hair and he's 2.5, and the noise does bother him when they are too loud. So I find that this noise is very quiet. I'll put it close to the mic so we can hear. But this has a nice adjuster for how high you want to do it, the different levels for the different fades. So I found two when I used it. You have two different modes. One, it tells you how much power is left. So after one haircut, I have 99%. You can also put this in. It tells me too, it's reminding me to oil, which I didn't do, but I should. Mind you, I've never oiled my husband's wall, so this was a big change. But I found that this was very easy. It gave me a very clean cut, and I found that this didn't tug at my husband's hair at all. This gave me that clean transition. I found that all the guards were very easy for me to see how long. This is number 4. I directly translated, and it's a 1/2 inch. There also did come with a smaller trimmer, which this was really great for trimming the ears. I didn't realize how hard it was with the larger trimmer to trim the ears, but even just the edge. And this would also be a great like body trimmer, but for me, just having like this for the ears is perfect. Especially my husband doesn't do any of like the beard or anything, but this would really be great for that. So, but this also did come with a bunch of different guards for this size, which these are also nicely labeled 2 mil. You're gonna get a 1 mil, a 4 mil. You're gonna get everything so nicely labeled. You're also gonna get a comb. It does come with an apron and some lubing oil for the trimmers. So overall, this was a super these are super well made. This has a turbo mode as well. Super quiet, super like clean cut for the hair. That you're able to do an adjustable taper. This comes with 6 clipper guards and 4 trimmer guards. That my husband really loved the upgrade. I didn't have any cords working. This has a Type-C USB charger, and overall just a great cutting experience.